Today we are going to do pre-trip on school bus.
So first of all, as we approaching to the bus, we look under the bus. There is no oil or any another fluid leak under the bus. Opening the door, doors are secured, parking brake is set, and key is out. Grabbing the wheel lock.
Wheels are blocked now. Now I am draining the wet tank. This bus has automatic slack adjuster, but I know how to adjust manually. Pull the slack adjuster to determine the direction the S camshaft turns during the brake application. Push the locking collar in with 9/16 wrench and turn the adjusting bolt to make the S cam shaft turn in the same direction as does when the brake is applied. Pull the slack adjuster and make sure it doesn't move. Back off the adjusting bolt by 1/3 of a turn or 20 minutes back. Check pushrod travel is between half to 3/4 of the inch. Ensure the collar is out again.
Now, wet tank is fully drained. CBSE decal is present and valid.
Doors are secure, steps are secure, and handles are secure. Emergency door handle, opening and closing the door properly.
Yeah, I have insurance paper present and valid. Opening the storage box securely. I have warning triangle in the storage box and storage box closed securely. I have fire extinguisher present and valid, and I have first aid kit. All the seats are secure. Emergency door open and close securely. No damage to the roof. We have 3 emergency exits. 1, 2, and 3. Emergency exit open
Open and
and
close.
close. All the windows are clean.
All windows.
All the windows are clean and windows are working properly.
Okay.
Emergency door. Come close. Yeah. Yeah. Emergency door open and close.
Okay. Okay.
Opening the engine box.
Engine. Oh, okay.
Yeah. No visual damage or leak on the either side of the engine. All the hoses and wires are connected properly. Engine oil cap is tight. Power steering and transmission
Engine oil cap is tight.
checked by mechanic. Engine oil safe level, no burnt smell, no discolor. Closing the engine box securely.
Securely.
Seat is safe and secure and adjusted properly.
Seat belt.
Seat belt, no rip, no praise, and working properly.
Exactly.
All the warning lights are working. All the warning lights are working. Primary and secondary holding pressure. It means my one-way check valve is working. Engine sound normal. All My windshields and all the windows are clean. Mirrors are adjusted properly.
Yes.
Rear view mirror and both the side mirrors are adjusted properly. ID marking lights on. All the interior lights are working and
Yes.
no damage to the roof. Door open
Door open.
and close.
Automatic.
Highway horn working properly. Both the front fans are working. Rear passenger heater fan is working properly.
Okay.
Wipers are working. Washer fluids are working. Wipers are in good condition. Oil pressure normal. Engine temperature normal. Tachometer working properly. I have sufficient fuel for the trip. Battery charging rate is normal. And all the other gauges are working properly.
Exactly.
Headlights are on and dash lights are working.
Highlight working.
Headlights are on
Yes.
and dash lights are working.
Exactly. Heater.
Heater and defroster
Defroster.
working properly. Right turn signal, left turn signal, and high beam working properly.
Okay.
4-way flasher are
Okay.
working properly. Steering wheel no pre-play and adjusted properly.
Yes.
City horn working properly.
City horn.
City horn.
Yes.
Now we are ready for air pre-trip. So air pre-trip, make sure your parking brake is released. My wheels are blocked.
Now I continuously
First
fanning
of all,
down
I am
to
going
check
to
the
check the
compressor
lower
build-up
warning.
time from 50 to 90 psi at 1000 to 1200 rpm.
Low air warning just activated above 60 psi. I will press this button and raise the RPM between 1000 to 1200. Once my needle will reach a set 50 psi, I will start the timer. Now my needle at. I start my timer. My lower warning went off. I am checking compressor build up time from 50 to 90 psi less than 3 minutes. Now my both needles at 90 psi within 1 minute and 10 seconds. I am continuously building the pressure to check the governor cutout. My governor should cut out between 105 to 135.
Exactly.
My purge valve just opened. It confirms that my governor cut out at 130 psi.
Exactly.
Now I am checking governor cut in compressor in loading stage. So if sometimes this pops up, press it back in. Now I am fanning down around like 80 psi, and while raising the RPM, I am watching for these needles. Now my needles are moving, so it confirms that my governor cut in and compressor is in loading stage.
Okay.
I am continuously building pressure more than 100 psi to check the leak test. I have almost 120 psi of pressure.
Okay. The compressor is good.
I will turn off the bus and keep the ignition on.
Oh.
I will hold the full brake application all the way down
Exactly.
and wait for my needle to be stable. Now my needles are stable. I start my timer. I am listening for any audible air leak. It should not lose more than 3 psi in 1 minute. There it is. Now it's 1 minute. I do not lose more than 3 psi in 1 minute. My needles barely moved. So now I'm going outside for a circle check. When I'm going for outside, I will make sure my high beam is on and my left turn signal is on. I will open my door. Gloves and my tools. No damage on the top of the bus. My ID marking lights are working. No damage to the windshield. Air filter is clean. Electrical wires are secure. No damage to the grill. No damage to the radiator. No leak. Cap is tight.
Okay.
Signal is working. Washer fluid adequate level. Cap is tight. Engine coolant adequate level and cap is tight. All the wires are connected properly. Both the high beams are working and lengths are clean. No damage to the bumper. License plate tight and secure and clean. No oil or any other fluid leak under the bus.
Okay.
My side mirrors are safe and secure.
Secure
Side mirror
and clean.
safe and secure. Side mirror safe and secure. Clearance light. All the 3 clearance lights are working
Yes.
properly
Exactly.
and reflector is present and clean. Signal light is working. Even thread wear more than 3 mm. Adequate air pressure. Outside of the tire, no cut, crack or bulges. No damage to the rim. All the lug nuts are tight and present.
Exactly.
No oil leak from the hub. Hub oil safe level.
The hub clean.
Mud flap tight and secure. Battery inside the battery box
Clean. No
tight
corrosion.
and secure. No corrosion on the terminals. Terminals are connected properly. We check for acid level weekly. All the windows are clean. No damage on the side of the bus. Reflector is present and clean. Emergency door open and close. Buzzer is working properly. even thread wear, thread depth more than 1.6 mm, adequate air pressure, no objects or damage between the tire, outside of the tire, no cut, crack or bulges, no damage to the rim.
Mm-hmm.
All the
Look, no.
lug nuts are tight and present.
I'm
No
pressing.
oil leak from the hub.
Kaisa?
Mud flap tight and secure.
Secure. Full left.
Diesel cap is tight.
Start.
No damage or leak from the diesel tank.
Yes.
Clearance light is working. Reflector is present and clean. No damage on the back side of the bus. Clearance lights are working. Emergency door open and closed. Buzzer is working. Signal is working properly. Tail lights are working. License plate light and tail light is working.
Yes.
License plate is tight and secure and clean.
Clean.
No damage to the bumper. No damage to the exhaust. No damage to the frame. All the cross members are present. No damage under the bus. Now I am going inside. I will change my high beam to low beam and I might change signal from left signal to the right signal. I will press brake couple of times. Please can you check my brakes? Is my brake lights working?
Yes.
Thank you. Signal is working. No damage on the side of the bus. Clearance light is working and reflector is present. All the windows are clean. No damage to the windows. Mud flap tight and secure. Even thread wear more than 1.6 mm, adequate air pressure, no object or damage between the tires,
Okay.
outside of the tire, no cut, crack or bulges, no damage to the rim, all the lug nuts are tight and present, no oil leak from the hub, reflector is present and clean, clearance light is working, signal light is working and door step light is working. Mud flap is tight and secure. Even thread wear more than 3 mm. Adequate air pressure. Outside of the tire, no cut, crack or bulges. No damage to the rim. All the lug nuts are tight and present. No oil leak from the hub. Hub oil safe level. Doors are secure and door step lights is working. Door step light is working and reflector is present and clean. Clearance light is working and mirrors are tight and secure. Signal is working and my both the low beams are working. Lens are clean.